Hello traders, this is a technical analysis video for Bitcoin. I said in the header that this video is important and it's not clickbait. I really mean it. I think that this June fractal that I already discussed in my previous videos is playing out. If you haven't watched my previous videos, I will link the article that I wrote on TradingView, and you can take it from there, or you can look at the playlist. According to this fractal, we are supposed to have two highs, one high and a higher high, before dumping back to the 25k level, and I will show you. Okay, so the first high was anticipated, and if you watched my videos, you were ready. The drop down to 25k was anticipated as well, and now we are at the second or the higher high, and today is CPI announcement, and they are already pumping the markets during the London session. And if you watched my previous video, you know that to be suspicious of price pumps during the London session. Okay, in my opinion, what will happen today is that we will reach the 28k level and something will happen to dump the markets. Either it will be just traders shorting the range high, or in my opinion, the CPI announcement will be worse than expected because of oil prices. But whatever, something will happen at the range high, and from the range high we will drop to the range low, like in the fractal, okay, to the 25k area, and this will be the low of the September month. Okay, once we reach this second high, the range low again, excuse me, I am expecting October to be a very good month, which will make everyone bullish again, because we will make higher highs and higher lows, and it will take us to the larger range high. Okay, the range high is at 32, almost 32k. I'm expecting us to get closer to 32k, and in late October, close to the end of the month, something will happen to dump the markets. Now, if you follow fundamental news, you know that a recession is pretty much in the cards, but not only a recession, possibly also a financial crisis. Now, I don't know what will happen in October. Maybe it's related to the government shutdown. Maybe it will be related to another crisis. But it is very likely that something will happen in October which will pull us down, and eventually, in a matter of a few 2 months or so, we will make it to the bottom. And this is my overall target, which I discussed previous times, at around the 20k. So this fractal is playing out perfectly, and if today we'll make it to the range high, maybe even deviate a little bit above the range high and dump back to 25k, then we have the cheat code for the rest of 2023. So pay attention, guys. I think this scenario is extremely likely, so pay attention. You have nothing to lose by listening to me, okay? Because I'm not saying to trade or not to trade, but it's a no-brainer that the range high is resistance, and it is also a no-brainer if you trade ranges to see a deviation above the range and a pullback to the range low. Okay, it's a no-brainer. It's also a no-brainer that October will most probably be a good month. All you need to do is not to get too euphoric in late October, okay, and to watch out for something to happen. That's it. That's all I have to say. I hope it helps. I will follow closely what's going on today and in the month of October, and of course I will let you know my take on price action. That's all, guys. See you later. Thank you very much for your time, and goodbye.